How to turn on Do Not Disturb on iOS 15. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show in this video. But before that, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So previously, Do Not Disturb was readily available in the control center, but now it is somewhat different in the fact that it is now called Focus. And once you long press on Focus, you can see the Do Not Disturb option, which is right there, and below that you can see personal, work and sleep options. But since it is Do Not Disturb that we want to turn on, all you have to do is press on it, and that's it. Do Not Disturb is now switched on. You can even toggle the amount of time that you want Do Not Disturb to be the Do Not Disturb mode to be running. And yeah, that's pretty much it. As you can see, it is currently switched on. You can switch it off by tapping on it again. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.